Imagine turning a simple metal ribbon into a finished, intricate component with astonishing speed and precision. That's the magic of progressive stamping. This incredible metal forming process is a cornerstone of modern manufacturing, especially when you need to produce vast quantities of identical parts. So, how does it work? At its heart, progressive stamping uses a single coil of metal, fed continuously into a specialized die. Think of it as a multistage manufacturing line, all housed within one powerful machine. As the metal strip advances, it passes through a series of stamping stations, each performing a specific operation. The first station might punch holes, the next could bend or form flanges, while subsequent stations might perform cutting, shaping, or even tapping. With each station, the raw metal strip is progressively transformed, step by step, until it emerges as a fully formed, finished part. This methodical approach is what makes progressive stamping so incredibly efficient for high-volume production. It's particularly adept at creating complex shapes and intricate designs that would be difficult or impossible with traditional single-operation stamping. And the benefits don't stop there. By utilizing the entire width of the metal strip effectively, progressive stamping significantly reduces material waste. This means lower costs and a more sustainable manufacturing process. From automotive components to electrical connectors, progressive stamping is the silent powerhouse behind many of the products we rely on every day, proving that precision, speed, and efficiency can indeed go hand in hand.